This recipe was inspired by my late dad. I remember when he used to cook green soup for me back then when I was in the village with him. This green soup right here is delicious and way healthier than you can ever imagine. No wonder people in the village are stronger and healthier. Here we're using spinach leaves and Ewedu leaves, otherwise known as jute leaves in English. Question is, do you know all the natural diseases have natural solution in plants and vegetables? If only we have the knowledge, then all of our illness will be long forgotten. Just like you're seeing in the video, you're going to blend both leaves till smooth and looking nice. After that, start cooking. You can use any protein of your choice. I feel like fish will do justice to this soup more than meat. So season your protein accordingly. You'll find all the ingredients in the video description. Cover and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's 15 minutes, add your potash, locus beans, add your crayfish as well, add your crushed pepper. You can now mix and cover for about 4 to 5 minutes before finally adding your blended leaves. And also, it depends on the consistency you want your soup to be. You can add a little water if you think it's too thick. Mine was just perfect, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So after a minute, switch off your gas and serve with any swallow of your choice. I had mine with amala. It was perfect. Are you going to try this? If you're going to try this, I will be expecting a feedback from you. You can also let me know your view in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.